Okay, I just bought this kerosene lamp for about $8. It looks pretty good, you can see here. Now one thing I like about the kerosene is that it burns very efficiently. It has a 99.9% fuel burning efficiency. Now this kerosene lamp comes with everything, with a wick, and you just pour the kerosene oil in there. So I bought a kerosene oil. Okay. It was it's better to buy in large amount than tiny amount. This actually, you have to buy the 946 ml versus this 3.78 liter. This is like the 946 ml is 3.5 times more expensive than this one here. Okay. Anyway, so what we're going to do, lift this up, take out the glass, okay, and take out a piece of paper. Okay, so this thing works pretty well. So all you have to do is just lift it up and then put the glass back like this. It feels kind of flimsy actually, but you can tilt it a bit and then slip and clip it on back. Okay, and it has a handle, which is pretty cool. Okay. Now the reason I got the kerosene lamp is because, like I said, it burned very efficiently, and the light also gives the heat, and so it provides both things. During the winter time, during the cold room, it has the light and the heat. So perfect combination for winter. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour some of the kerosene in here, and I'm going to pour it into there, and I'm going to light it. Okay, so I'm going to pour it in. Wow, definitely love the kerosene. It's very warm. So not only this is going to provide lights, it also provides heat. And I'm smelling it. It smells quite good. I mean, in terms of, I feel like there's you can burn this inside. Okay, let's see if we can get this. You can hold it like that. And just make sure you don't tip over the kerosene. That's the problem, probably the flaw of the kerosene lamp. But other than that, one thing I like about the kerosene is the fact that it gives you light and heat. Perfect combination for winter. 2 thumbs up.